instances kung paano nagpakita si Jesus Christ. 3 times siya nagpakita. First kay Mary Magdalene, then sa disciples, when they were meeting with the locked doors, and then nag-appear siya ulit kasama yung disciples, kasama na si Thomas. Yeah, so, there is reason naman not to believe the resurrection. Kasi, really unbelievable. It's unnatural for us, but because Jesus Christ is God, because He is the Messiah, because He came from the Father, He has the power to overcome death and rise up again. And ito yung pilit na kailangan maniwalaan ng disciples. And He even said to Thomas in John 20 verse 29, because you have seen me, you have believed.